What is your 2020 vision or your goals in life and business?
Biggest goals for 2020 is to help empower all the 210 directors we have and help them to get stronger and more confident and really empower them to be better leaders by constantly being behind them and helping them with the team we have in the office to get stronger. So that's one of my big goals. Another goal is we're doing podcasts now, so we're trying to be more diligent in doing them weekly, and my goal is 3 a week, so I'm trying to stay on that, and that gets hard. And really it's just doing everything better and more organized than we've already been doing it, and just trying to see where it goes. I'm not a strategist. So I'm ADHD, so it's like sometimes I'll be going this way and decide to go that way. So my goal is to just stay on task and keep doing what we do and try to do it better. And personally, to try, you say you want to retire. I'm a lot older than you, and it's not happening yet. So I got to figure that out, so I'm working at trying to slow down a bit, and I'm doing pretty good about it, and having other people take over things that I've done and mentoring other people into those roles so that I'm not so having to be there all the time.
Good for you.
It's happening. That's good.
That's good.